One of the hardest things as a property photographer or real estate photographer, or in fact any industry, is trying to get new clients or new leads. And Cubicasa are trying to help us photographers get clients. And they're doing this with something called the Preferred Photographer program, which is basically like a sort of database of us real estate photographers who can also produce floor plans using the Cubicasa software. So then estate agents can go onto Cubicasa, search for a photographer by location, and then find someone like us, and well, we all stand to benefit really. Cubicasa means we use their service, and then us, we get the work, but also there's a lot of other things in terms of like discounts and just extras that we get from Cubicasa by being part of this Preferred Photographer program. It's a bit of a mouthful to say. So in this video, I'm going to talk you through exactly what the Preferred Photographer program is, like how it benefits us as photographers, and then I'm just going to give you a bit of a walkthrough, how you sign up, how you get started, and what you need to do. So let's get started with telling you more about what the Preferred Photographer program is. So what is the Cubicasa Preferred Photographer program? Well, it's a great question and a great place to start. Well, Cubicasa are trying to be at the forefront of providing a floor plan with every property listing. And in the UK, that's kind of nothing new really, because I've been doing this for 20 years now, and for the whole time I've been doing it, it's just been expected that with the photos we provide a floor plan. But it seems from what I'm reading that in the US that is not the case, and they'd all get photos done, but not all properties would get floor plans done. But now more and more estate agents wanting this, and it is such a good tool when buying or selling a house to have a floor plan with it. And obviously Cubicasa, their software is all about providing floor plans, but they've got some great services now, which is like the Cubicasa Tour and Cubicasa Plus floor plans, where you can link pictures to floor plans. So these two just merge really well. So what they're doing is they're trying to, like I say, be at the forefront of making sure every listing in the US and now worldwide provide a floor plan with every property listing. So to do this, they're going to need the help of us, the photographers, who can also provide the floor plans. And it seems a bit of a no-brainer really when I'm going to tell you in a minute about all the discounts and benefits you can get as a photographer if you sign up for this program. And also, especially if you're in the US, because they seem to have such a wide reach over there. They're sort of visible on 120 MLSs and have a reach of, I think, 1 million, what's it say, 1 million plus estate agents nationwide in the US. So if you are in the US, then, like I say, it seems a no-brainer. It's just going to help you get that reach to all those potential clients. And there's only one thing that they ask of us, really, as photographers, and that is to put a line on our website which states that we provide a plus floor plan with every interior photo shoot. And that might irk some people that they're sort of having a say what we put on our website, but to be honest, for me, it's not really a big deal because I'm already providing a floor plan with every photo shoot for estate agents. And if this is like your main job and what you're providing, then you kind of should be. So it shouldn't really be a big deal. And they will check that you've put this on your website before they sign you off and allow you to start using the Preferred Photographer program. So do make sure that you are putting a line like that in your website. So now I'm going to run through how you get yourself set up as a Preferred Pro, and I'll just show you on their website where you need to go to and what you need to fill in to get started. So I'll just start screen record on here now. So first of all, you will need to set up a Cubicasa account if you've not done so already. And then once you've got that set up, you'll be able to go onto your dashboard here. And if you go down to Company, and then down here, we've got Edit Profile. And obviously you'll need to edit all your enter all your details, obviously when you first sign up to Cubicasa. So if you go on to Edit Profile there, and then you've got the option here of selecting Preferred Pro or Marketplace Profile. So we obviously want to go with the Preferred Pro for here. And it says below, the Preferred Pro program is for you if you want to take your base services to another level and include high quality photography and a plus floor plan for every listing. Use premium floor plans throughout your offerings to increase your average order values. So then you just fill in the details down here and then a couple of tick boxes, and it says here, by submitting this form, I agree that I include a Cubicasa floor plan with every interior photo shoot, and I state so on my website. So this part is very important, as it is a must basically to be part of this program. I understand that this if this criteria is not met, I will be removed from the Cubicasa Preferred Pro program. I understand that the terms and availability of this program could change at any time. So really is just stating how important it is to get that line on your website, and that is pretty much the only thing they're asking for you. And then you can start editing your profile. So you can put your logo, you can put a banner image here. I mean, I've just got the logo on both. Probably should put like a nice interior photo there instead. And then you can put details in here about you, your website, your operating distance, and then just so people can get a good vibe to you. So it kind of acts like a little website in a way. So when agents are searching for you, they can see examples of your work, where you're located, how long you've been operating for, and I'm going to show you in a moment what this all looks like when agents search for you. So it's kind of a good way if maybe you don't have a decent website at the moment. This just continually gets updated with the jobs you do. So if you're doing plenty of jobs that are through this Preferred Pro program with Cubicasa, or even if you're just doing jobs using Cubicasa, all those jobs get put onto your little listing site with Cubicasa, your Preferred Pro site. And so it's like a constant update that's great really, because we're not always that great at updating our own website. So for them to have like real-time updates on this site, that's great because it keeps it fresh and lets potential agents who you might work with see that you're active and just see what recent work you've done. So once you've filled all this form in, all you have to do then is scroll right down to the bottom here and click submit. And then you simply wait for Cubicasa to have a look at it all, and they'll look at your website too, just to make sure you've entered in that line about including a plus floor plan with every interior photo shoot. Once they are happy with that, you will get an email in your inbox saying you've been accepted, and then you're ready to go. You'll be a Preferred Pro, and hopefully you'll start getting more work through this Cubicasa Preferred Photography program. So let's now take a look at how this looks when a real estate agent wants to find a photographer like ourselves. So if we go onto the Cubicasa website, which is where they will start, and then at the top here, you can see find a photographer. And here, obviously it's a bit more USA centric because that's where the biggest market is. But then if you scroll down here, I will show you on the UK side of things, because obviously that's where I'm registered. And if you click on UK down there, and you can see here, I mean, I'm located in Bishop Stortford, and if you click here and comes up, I'm actually the only one registered in Bishop Stortford, but I'm sure if I search around sort of other areas, because I've put like a 30 or 40 mile radius, I will come up in other areas too. So imagine there was several of us, and there'll be a load of other profiles down here, but at the moment I'm the only one. So click on the view profile here. And actually I'll just point out that, so in the UK, obviously this is still kind of early stages. So probably not a lot of estate agents searching through this at the moment, but it's kind of even more reason if you are watching this in the UK just to get set up on it. Like I say, there's nothing lost by getting on this. And if you're on there early, like you've just seen then, you could be one of the few people on here. So you're going to be the first ones to get the work. So like I say, there's nothing lost and no harm in just signing up to this and getting your name out there using Cubicasa. But let's get back onto looking at the profile on here. So as you can see, I added my logo, and then you've got the banner here. And like I say, probably might look a little bit better if I put a sort of interior shot there. And then here you've got a bit of information about yourself. And then again, here you've got the services you offer and the prices. And one thing I'll point out as well, that Cubicasa doesn't have any say in the prices that you offer. That's entirely up to you. You've just got to think about how you're going to put the price of the Cubicasa Plus floor plan into your offering, basically, because that's one thing I guess here in the UK. I mean, I'm doing the sketching of floor plans still for quite a lot of my work, and then sending it off to get drawn up, and I'm probably paying between sort of £5 and £10. And with the Cubicasa tour, well, Cubicasa Plus floor plans, and once you get the discount, it comes to about £13, which obviously a bit more, but not radically more. But if you're aiming at sort of maybe better sort of higher level estate agents, I mean, that's easy. You can put that into your sort of pricing structure. So I don't think it's too bad once you've got that discount now to sort of put it into your pricing structure. Let's carry on looking at this. And here we go with some of the work. And these are the ones that have have the Cubicasa tour on, but you can also have this through sort of Google addresses. So if you've had listings on MLS sites which are sort of linked to Google, then they'll come on here as well. So like I say, it does really act as like a little portfolio, like a little website for you, showcasing your work. And then down here, it's got sort of the area you work in. And then here is where they can get in touch, send you an email, send you a message about what they need. And then you can go from there with the estate agent. So now let's take a look at some of those discounts and perks you get by being a Preferred Pro. I'll just point out something it says at the top here about where it's available. Obviously, we talked about the US and the UK, but it's obviously also available in Canada and all over Europe now. And I'm sure this list of countries that it's available in, it's just going to be growing. So if you're watching this and wherever you may be, just have a look on the Cubicasa website and it will tell you if it's available there, but I'm sure it will be available very soon, wherever you are. But let's take a look at some of these discounts and perks you get. So the headline one obviously is the 25% discount on all floor plan products. And this is fantastic because, well, this is a pretty reasonable discount, but I'll put on the screen now the US prices, because I'm looking at this in Europe, so I only get this sort of price in euros, which I then have to convert into pounds and pence. But here in England, it's like 20 euros, which converts to £17.50 as the standard price. But then with that 25% discount, obviously 15 euros and £13.10, which is pretty reasonable, I think. I mean, it's a bit more than I normally pay for my floor plans, but then you're getting that service of Cubicasa, which makes creating a floor plan really easy. Like, you're not sketching it out and taking time to walk around the property with a pen and paper. You're just using the phone in your pocket to do this really quickly. So that's why you're paying a little bit extra, obviously, to get that really great service that Cubicasa offers. But then you just got to make sure you bake that into your prices, which I said earlier, you get full control on the prices. Cubicasa doesn't get any say in that. So I'm sure you could easily work those prices in with that 25% discount. And then if you go down here, there's no large property fees, which is great, because if you're not part of this, like larger properties, you do have to pay a bit extra to get them drawn up. And then another great one here is the processing time. So for all 2D floor plans, up to 5,000 square foot, you get them in a 12-hour turnaround. That's fantastic. That's exactly what I want as a photographer, because I'm sure you know the estate agents want everything like yesterday, basically. So that 12-hour turnaround is fantastic. And then it's got here 24-hour turnaround for 3D floor plans too. And then if you scroll down here, what are the ones they got? You've got your Preferred Pro badge showcase on your commitment to delivering the highest quality floor plans on every listing. It just makes you look nice and official that you're providing this Cubicasa service. And then another great one down here is that priority customer support. So if you've got any issues, we kind of go to the top of the queue basically. And also, in terms of like listing on their marketplace, like you're going to be bumped up there as well if you're a Preferred Pro. So that's definitely a big benefit. So like I said already, I really see it as a bit of a no-brainer in signing up to this, because there's nothing lost basically. The only thing they're asking for you to do is put that line on your website, which I don't think is a big deal. So I really hope this video is going to help you sort of get started with this, because I do think this is a great way to get more work, especially if you are in the US, because Cubicasa do have a bit more reach out there at the moment. They are getting a bit more of a name for themselves over here in the UK and Europe, and I'm sure over time that will grow and this Preferred Photographer program will become more prominent, and I and others will start getting work through this. But I hope that gives you a bit of an overview about how to get started on this and what the Preferred Pro program can offer you as a photographer. Since I started shooting this video, Cubicasa have been in touch to say they've made some great new updates already to the marketplace. They've made the cleaner marketplace interface and also just improved the search functionality. And the main one of these is that they've just added extra filters by which estate agents can search. So now they can search by price, by volume, and also the services that we as photographers offer. So if an estate agent needs a photographer that can also offer video and drone services, then they can tick these boxes and find the photographer that suits their needs, and in turn that makes us, the photographer, way more discoverable. So these are just some early updates that they've added, and I'm sure there will be more to come soon. Let me know in the comments below what you think of all this. Maybe you've signed up for the Preferred Pro program already, and let me know if you've got any work through it. I'd love to know. But I really do think it's a bit of a no-brainer to sign up to this because there is nothing lost by signing up to this. Like I say, just putting that little line on your website and then you've got the potential to gain more work and you get all those discounts. I think it's a great thing Cubicasa are doing. It helps us photographers and it's also hopefully going to help agents get those floor plans on their listings too. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks as always for watching this and I will see you in the next one soon.